Hey everyone, it's Steve from itsmakessenseblog.com, and today I want to take you through Spencer Mecham's Affiliate Secrets 2.0. I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look at the course so you can determine if this course is right for you. So stick around until the end and I will show you how to get access to his course and all his bonuses as well as my bonuses. So with that, let's get to it. Okay, so I bet the first question you have is, who is Spencer Mecham? Well, if you've been in the ClickFunnels ecosystem, you've probably heard his name, but Spencer is a affiliate marketing guru. Through ClickFunnels, he's earned over $1 million alone, and that's just promoting one product. He's made millions promoting other products as well. And like I said, if you've been in the ClickFunnels ecosystem, you've probably seen him. He's in the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp. He was featured in Russell Brunson's 30 Days course. And he also has his own courses, which is what we're reviewing here, Affiliate Secrets 2.0. But not only that, he's got free courses that you might have seen if you've gone to his website, builderpreneur.com. So what is Affiliate Secrets 2.0? It's basically a soup to nuts affiliate marketing course that he created. It's part of a larger course that he's done, that he's added to his free courses as well. So right now I'm logged into the Affiliate Secrets 2.0. But before I even signed up for Affiliate Secrets 2.0, I took all of his free courses. So his free courses include ClickFunnels A to Z, which is a complete ClickFunnels course that teaches you all about how to create funnels. He's got a website designed for beginners. So if you're a beginner, he's got, teaches you how to create a website. He's got a whole email marketing course, which is great. It's all on his chosen email marketing software, which is ActiveCampaign. He's got a copywriting secrets course, and he's also got a affiliate marketing 1.0 course, or 101 course, which is, takes you through what is affiliate marketing, soups to nut through what is actually affiliate marketing. But when you pay for Affiliate Secrets 2.0, you get access to these two other modules, the Affiliate Secrets 2.0 and the Affiliate Secrets 2.0 Traffic Edition. So let's go into actually the Affiliate Secrets 2.0, and I'll give you a behind the scenes look of what's actually in this course. So if I click into his course, the first module is him talking what is affiliate marketing, and this is by far one of the best modules, or not modules, but one of the best descriptions of affiliate marketing that I have ever seen. It is you will completely understand how to do affiliate marketing and what affiliate marketing is after this module. This is a great introduction to what he's going to be teaching. Module 2 is only one video, but it's really how to create your niche, which is one of the most important things you're going to need to do before you start affiliate marketing, is pick what you are going to create content about. Module 3 is actually its own separate mini course, and I will come back to that in a second, because that is the traffic mini course is well worth the price of the whole course, in my opinion. So module 4 is about value, and he goes into great detail about how affiliate marketers need to create value first, then ask for sale, as well as offering bonuses and bonus stacks to get people to buy or click on their affiliate links, because most affiliate marketers out there are offering a bonus stack. And if you don't know what that is, you'll learn what that is in this module. Module 5 is all about ClickFunnels and how to use ClickFunnels for your affiliate marketing. Module number 6 is all about products. He goes through what products he promotes, what products he recommends you promote, as well as he gives you a list of his top choices for recurring affiliate programs, meaning they don't just pay one time, they pay every month. So he goes into great detail about products and how you can choose products, and what types of traffic you can point those product or those people to. Module 7 is probably, other than the traffic, is probably one of the most important modules in my opinion. Is he goes into detail about email marketing, what it is, why it's important, how to set it up, how to set up your automations. Like I said, this is probably one of the most important modules in this entire course. Module 8, and as well as this Rachel S. Lee Facebook method, which is how Spencer actually outsources a lot of the work he does. A lot of the work that isn't income producing, he outsources to other people, and he will show you actually how to do that. Then he completes this section with some case studies of people that have actually gone through his course and the results they've obtained. And then he has all of his bonuses in this section where he actually gives you, if you sign up for Affiliate Secrets 2.0, you get access to his ClickFunnels course that you can use yourself. He gives you all the email sequences for people that sign up for ClickFunnels under your affiliate link. He gives you the email sequences he uses to sell specific products within his business. And then he gives you some bonus funnels that you can use. And then he also gives you access to his Affiliate Marketing 101 course, which is something you can promote as one of your bonuses and use it as you wish. So let me go back to, we kind of skipped the traffic section, which is what I want to go through now, and that is actually the Affiliate Secrets 2.0 Module 3. So the first one is YouTube, and Spencer is a master at YouTube. He's actually the one that got me into YouTube. So he goes into great depth of how to create a YouTube channel, a very successful YouTube channel, how to create videos, how to edit the videos, and how to promote the videos. This is, like I said, this whole mini course is actually worth the price of Affiliate Secrets 2.0, in my opinion. Not only is he a master at YouTube, but he's also master at Google AdWords. So he goes, if you are into paid traffic, he goes into really great detail on how to be successful using Google AdWords. And then he has a small section here on solo ads, which is another paid method. Basically, that is, people have a large email list, you pay them a small fee, and then they send out your promotion to their list. And he'll tell you how to do that. But one of the things I love about Affiliate Secrets 2.0 is that, Spencer can't be an expert at everything. So just so he teaches everything in his course, he brings on experts. So this next part is Instagram, taught by Josh Ryan, who's created several six-figure Instagram accounts. And Josh goes and teaches you how to get traffic through Instagram. He brought in Jelani to teach you how to do affiliate marketing and get traffic through Quora. Johnny West, who actually I think earned $1 million his first year in one Facebook group, he tells you how to create a successful Facebook group. Jeremy Atkinson teaches you all about Facebook ads, and to be honest, this is the one section I did not go through, so I really can't comment on it because I am not into Facebook ads, and if I ever do, that is something that I will probably outsource. So I did not go through this section here, but the section I did go through, you can see by the check marks, is actually this Pinterest, which is taught by Kara, who's created a massively successful Pinterest account and she goes and teaches you how you can create traffic through Pinterest. So that is an overview of just looking at my notes to make sure I didn't forget anything. So that is an overview of Affiliate Secrets 2.0. So just to be fair, some of the things I don't like about Affiliate Secrets 2.0, it's not really what I don't like, it's just a little, criticism, I guess, is one is it's very ClickFunnels centric, but it's not something I don't like, but it's something that if you are looking to promote ClickFunnels, then I highly recommend Affiliate Secrets 2.0. One of the reasons I actually bought this course was because I want to promote ClickFunnels myself, and he taught me soups to nuts how to do that. But if you are looking for a course that teaches you all about his affiliate marketing, including ClickBank and other things. He doesn't go into ClickBank. He doesn't go into SEO. So that is one of the, only criticisms I would say about this course. The other is, and this is really, really small, but if I click in here, sometimes and I'm probably being petty here, but so he has, he's always has his profile here. And sometimes one of the things he's talking about are hidden by his profile picture, which is, like I said, really nitpicking at this point. But probably the biggest thing that could be a turnoff for potential people that want to buy this course is the price. It is $897. That's how much I purchased it for, and I know that he increases his price by like $100 for every 100 people that sign up. So, and I know his Affiliate Secrets 1.0 course started at $397, I believe. So as of the time I am doing this video, it's still at $897, but it's subject to go up. Now, what do I like about this course? Well, it is so much information, but it's not overwhelming for a beginner. And what do I mean by that? He lays this out in a very, very, very logical step-by-step method. I've taken other courses where it is just all this information. It's like a fire hose thrown at your face, and you're overwhelmed. You don't know what to do. But no, Spencer provides all this information, and he goes in a logical step-by-step. A couple times I was like, okay, what's the next step? What's the next step? But no, after I was done, I was like, okay, it makes sense. I know why he went in the, it's taught in the method he did. He's like, if you go to any of his YouTube channels, you will see his teaching style, which is so clear, so concise. He's very articulate. I just, one of the things that I connect with him about. The other thing, and I think I've already mentioned this, is like, he can't be an expert at everything, but he provides so much value. He brought in experts to teach the sections where he's not as strong as. So that's just the things I like. Who I don't recommend this course for is, like I said, anyone that wants to promote like ClickBank products, or someone that's really into or wants to write a blog. He doesn't go into that. He doesn't go into SEO other than YouTube. I've heard rumblings that he might add some SEO to and maybe Affiliate Secrets 3.0, whenever that is, but I can't verify that. And I also don't recommend this course for anyone that wants to get rich quick, because you are not going to get rich quick with Spencer's course. But he makes that very clear. He wants you to build, and he's going to teach you to build a long-term passive income generating machine, which is why I actually bought this course. So I went through this a little bit, but if you purchase Affiliate Secrets 2.0, Spencer's going to give you these two courses. The one was the Affiliate Marketing 101, as well as the ClickFunnels. And then he's going to give you the funnels, and he's going to give you the pre-written emails. And then he also gives a hammock, which I haven't received mine yet. Spencer's still waiting. But so that's what you get. That's this course. Like I said, it's $897. And I'll leave a link below if you want to learn more. I also have a written review on my website. And if you use my affiliate link, I will also send you my bonuses, which you can find out more on my website. So that is it. That is Affiliate Secrets 2.0. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on the next video.